Hey guys, today I will tell you how to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay app. So let's get started.
So first, what you need to do is download Moonpay from either Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you haven't already, create your account by signing up with your email address or phone number. Once logged in, locate and tap the buy option prominently displayed on your screen. The default cryptocurrency shown will be Bitcoin, which is exactly what we want. If you need to change it, tap Bitcoin to access the cryptocurrency selection menu. Scroll through the available options or use the search function to find Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin as your desired cryptocurrency for purchase. Enter the dollar amount you wish to spend in the amount field provided. The application will automatically calculate how much Bitcoin you will receive for your payment. Verify the amount carefully as cryptocurrency values fluctuate regularly. After confirming your purchase amount, tap Continue to proceed to identity verification. Complete the verification process by providing your photo identification documents. On the next screen, choose your preferred payment method such as Apple Pay or credit card. If you want to send the Bitcoin to an external wallet, tap Choose a wallet and enter your destination address. Finally, click the Buy or Pay button at the bottom of your screen to complete the transaction. And that's how you buy Bitcoin on the Moonpay app.